Lingering cough, have you been dealing with it? Let me tell you a home hack. Here you go, natural, raw, unfiltered honey. Get it from your farmer's market. Step 1 part of the Paracleanse. Get it from Walmart, walmart.com or gurunanda.com. Now, this is powered with neem, oregano, and clove. All these 3 are naturally antimicrobial. 1 spoon of the ginger juice. 1 scoop, which is 1 ml of the Paracleanse, just the step 1. And half spoon of the natural honey. Mix them all together. Have it 3 times a day after the meals. And hopefully 80% of you will come and thank me.